To prepare this warm and delicious chicken tortilla soup, you start by preparing all the ingredients. 1 medium chopped fine onion, 2 medium zucchinis grated, 1 can of corn, 1 can of black beans that have been drained, 2 cans of rotel, 4 chicken breasts that have been cooked and chopped, 2 cups of heavy cream. Start by heating up the chicken broth, and then my son and big helper Caleb, my special needs son, is adding 4 large chicken breasts that we chopped up. And next he added the 2 zucchinis that have been shredded. The zucchini adds a lot of vegetables to this dish, but it does not change the flavor. Here's my son Caleb giving it a stir and adding the medium onion that has been chopped fine. Caleb is now adding in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and 2 cans of rotel. And 1 can of black beans that we have drained. Next, add 1 can of corn. The seasoning includes 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1½ teaspoons of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of marjoram. Next, add 2 cups of heavy cream. Add 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese. Have extra shredded cheese to top the soup later. Allow the chicken tortilla soup to simmer for a couple of hours. Here is the finished product after it has been simmering. You can get the full recipe and print it at recipesfordailybread.com. How about a warm, delicious bowl of chicken tortilla soup?